Hello everyone, this is Madonna of Pre-Madonna Crafts, and today I would like to share with you a paper bag mini that I am making at the moment, and I thought I would do a tutorial to show you how I am putting this mini together. So these two pages, these are two paper bags, and it looks like this. It's got a flap here, which is the usual type of flap, with where you can stick in tags. Likewise here. And when you turn at the back, it should have a pocket here and a smaller pocket here. And I'll show you one that is already complete. This is complete. So this has got a smaller flap or pocket where it holds a smaller tag, and then there's a larger pocket at the back for a bigger tag. And then of course there is the usual paper bag tag for a larger tag, of course. And then when you turn over, there is this big flap, and inside you can tuck a large tag again. So this is how one of the paper bag pages look like. And this is not complete. So the flap is there, and this tucks in at the back. This is how it looks. So I have matted the top bit. You don't have to go all the way down because this will be covering it. And once I have added the designer paper here and here, I will glue this over, and I'll also glue this bit as well. And what the sort of glue that I use is all round glue, and it works. And of course I use sticky tape as well. So the paper bags that I'm using are from this type. It's called Celebrated, and the size is, I hope you can pick it up there. And of course the Birdsong collection by Graphic 45 is the paper collection that I'm working on. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put this paper bag, and you start off with any size paper bag actually will do. That's to your choice and taste. So you loosen the bottom of the paper bag. Gently. Okay. And then open it up. And then with a bone folder, you smoothen the surface. And then I fold over to the largest fold. There are two folds. I take the largest one, and again try and smoothen the surface. And here there is another fold here, and I fold over again to get the smaller pocket, and then go over to the bone folder. And then the jagged edge should be trimmed off. And so this is how you put the page together. And once, of course, you have added the designer paper, I would glue this down and then glue this bit down as well. Okay, and then at the back is the larger flap. Well, I'm going to go back to my mini. I hope this tutorial helps, and one tip is I actually use an iron, which is hot here, and I do give it a press to smoothen the paper bag. So a hot iron, a reasonably hot iron, it doesn't have to be at the highest temperature, would help. And I think this paper bag is coming on nicely, and once it's finished I will post the finished mini. So with that, thank you very much. Bye.